What's up guys, 8K with DCC Train. In today's video I want to show you like summary of decoder installation, not sound, per customer request. I did live broadcasts a lot on my Russian channel. I have 2 more cars to work. So on DCC Train Live, welcome to watch my live installations. So, but here, this is Proto 1000. I believe Walthers not making them anymore right at this time. I hope they will make more later, so I'd like to have myself, or for myself, and maybe I just get one on eBay and do it, because this is just great model. I'll show you exactly what's the item number here. So this is in kind of metallic color, and this is brown. So what I did, there is 8-pin plug. I installed everything from scratch. I took the board with very dim LEDs here, so to provide lights in the car, and I install much brighter and more like fluorescent light. Exactly, we'll test it in a second. 2 of those, because the motor section cover everything, and remodel headlight and rear light with TCS golden. Those are like 70s, whatever, 70s, 80s, not sure if they still there around, but old days those headlights were kind of just regular bulbs. So now it's probably LEDs and halogen, whatever, so they kind of amber type. In the next video I'll do test on the layout. Now I'm going to show you, let's put intro for a second, turn the lights off, and show you how it's working before assembly. Top camera a little bit dark, but that's fine. We'll put more lights with my Huey system, Philips, and turning headlights. You will see in the video when I'm going to run them, it's just perfectly, looks great, specifically in the cab area. It's so good. I didn't expect that. So, and now, are you guys ready? The lights in the car by itself, it's also looks great, already assembled. The tough part, let me put it back, a couple of comments. Okay, here. So the tough part was from the beginning. I put some cable management, my wires around those doors, but that was mistake, because the doors right there, actually here, right, so they sliding through that spot, so all that stuff should be clean. And I remodel original wires. They were a little bit thin. They will break eventually, and means total rewiring. So I'll see you in the next video when I'm going to run it. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you would like support channel, please join membership. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.